Hey there, business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today, I want to talk about how to make your social media videos more engaging. All right, engagement is very important when it comes to social media videos, because if your audience doesn't stick around for a very long time, you're not going to improve your ranking or your search engine optimization or anything. And so there's kind of like no point to make the video. Number one, you want to get to your point as quickly as possible. Right? Research indicates that people online now officially have less of an attention span than an average goldfish. Okay, so don't dawdle. Get to your point and make it very clear what burning question you're going to answer or what topic you're going to cover in your video. Number two, I'm noticing a lot of video content creators putting their ask or their call to action very early in the video. And this is probably because they know that statistically, most people don't watch for longer than 90 seconds. So they put their call to action very soon and like right after the introduction. I think this is a huge mistake, because asking your audience to sit through an ad patiently until you get to the actual content is kind of like asking a lot. It's not providing value up front, and you're sort of taking away their reasons to even be there. It's a little bit kind of disrespectful. It feels kind of bad. Like, just think of the time when someone asks to connect with you on LinkedIn, for instance. So you connect, and the first thing you get is a message saying, buy my stuff, right? It's tacky. It leaves a bad taste in the other person's mouth. It's not a very appealing way. You want to add value first and then make your call to action, okay? Or then make your ask. Next, you need to realize that most video is watched without audio. On Facebook, it's actually 80% of social videos are watched without audio. So the way to get around this so that you don't lose your audience is to provide captions. So Facebook has a feature where you can upload captions. So if someone's audio is turned all the way off, they'll immediately see captions pop up, and they'll still be able to enjoy your content even if their audio is turned off. Now, not all social media platforms have incorporated this, so in those cases, you might want to consider adding titling to your videos. So you're going to need a basic editing program to do this, and you've probably seen a lot, especially on Instagram and LinkedIn, where maybe the top and the bottom have some captioning that just draws your attention, makes you want to click on the video and listen to it with audio. When I first saw these, I thought, these are kind of ugly. I still think they're kind of unattractive aesthetically, but they're very effective in getting more people to engage and click on your videos. So it's a very powerful tool on certain platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn, where we're not able to provide closed captioning just yet. So I hope you found that valuable. I'm now going to make my ask. See what I did there? If you found this useful, please subscribe. I put out a new video, a new blog every week aimed at business owners and entrepreneurs and freelancers like yourself. Until next week, take care.